Hey guys, this is David King. Thanks for watching my video series entitled Becoming a Ferrari Entrepreneur. The reasoning behind this video series is because in business and online I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs that are rat race entrepreneurs, and they can be performing at a much higher level, what I call a Ferrari entrepreneur. And my goal for this 7-part video series is to help bring you from a rat race entrepreneur to a Ferrari entrepreneur. The first video today, the first thing I'm going to talk about is logic versus strategy. There's a little story I want to kind of incorporate to get the message across a little easier. The story goes something like there's two drivers on a road, and one's in the left lane and one's in the right lane. They both start off for the same destination, but one gets there quicker than the other, and obviously that's the person in the left lane because they're the faster drivers. And the moral behind the story is to be a left lane driver and to be more persistent and be more passionate, and that's how you get to where you want to be quicker. But it's a good story and it has a good message, but there's always another level to everything on the surface, what everything appears to be. So I was kind of thinking about that story, and I was like, that's a good point. You want to be faster, more persistent. You want to be the first one there, and all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, it's not always true. Like for instance, a rat race entrepreneur is scrambling around trying to get everything done at once. They got to do this, and that, and they don't take a second to breathe and step back and get a broader view of their business, their systems, their employees, and if their business is going up or down, to take a look at where their business is going. They're just so focused on the daily minute tasks that they don't see the broader picture. So if you go back to that story and you think, okay, well, left lane's faster, but think about it this way: if you're in a helicopter and you see the car on the road that needs to be somewhere quicker, and they're in the left lane, but there's a car in front of them in the left lane, and the middle lane and the right lane are completely open, and the car in the left lane might be going 70, but they can go 75 past the car in the left lane in the middle of the right lane and beat the car in the left lane. So logically it makes sense to be in the left lane, but that's not always the case. If you think more strategically and more deeper, and step back and look at something from a broader viewpoint, you can get to where you want to be quicker. Another story is a good example is the tortoise and the hare. The tortoise and the hare, the tortoise keeps moving. It doesn't stop. The hare sprints, takes a break. Actually, the break turns into falling asleep, and that's how the tortoise beats the hare in the race. But the way the hare goes about the race, the work really hard, sprint, take a break, is actually the model that you want to take in your business. The reason being is because if you're constantly moving like the tortoise, you're going to get worn out. None of us can just keep going and not rejuvenate and not take a break. So you want to be like the hare and its work ethic, and you want to be like the tortoise in your mind, in your mindset, for the long term. Another thing I want to talk about is the best way to go about that is I would say to work in about 2 hours. Just work in 2 hour chunks. Your body, there's something called a circadian rhythm. I won't get into all that, but 2 hour chunks is a good time, and to take a break every 2 hours, and for those 2 hours just to stay focused, keep working, and be focused on what you're doing completely 100%, and not be distracted by email, Facebook, whatever. My biggest two are email and Facebook, and to just stay focused and work for 2 hour chunks, 2 hour chunks, 2 hour chunks. That's an effective way for you to be more productive starting today. Another thing that a lot of rat race entrepreneurs don't do, and what Ferrari entrepreneurs do is rat race entrepreneurs they don't use systems, automation, their software programs, they don't outsource as much. But if you look at Ferrari entrepreneurs, they're outsourcing the tasks that they know other people are better at, and they know that their hourly cost for those tasks would be better to outsource than them doing themselves, because the job will be better and well done. It'll be done quicker and more efficiently, and they can work on the things that are more useful and more higher value in their business, like innovation and marketing and that type of thing. So systems, automation, there's software programs, outsourcing, those types of things. Try to look for more ways to automate your business, and just step back and take a break every once in a while and try to see it from more of a strategic viewpoint instead of such a logical viewpoint. But that's the end of the first video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, video number 2 of 7. You guys have an awesome rest of the day.